Hello guys, welcome back to NF Inspo. For today's video, here going to show you how to use Field app. So if you're interested, let's get started. So you might be wondering, how do you start using the app here? Well, using the app is very simple. So in order for you to get started here, you first need to install the app. So you can get this either on the Apple Store or Google Play Store. So depending on your device, go ahead and visit the appropriate one. But in this case, in their official app here, there are two options. You have the Go Join Field and Login. Now, if you already have an account, you can go ahead and click on Login. But if you don't have an account yet, just click on Join Field. Now, from that on, it will ask you a few things. Like, for example, it's going to ask for your email, or in this case, whichever account you want to use. So you could use your Apple account, your Facebook account here. So yeah, you'll go ahead and choose whatever you want. Now, from here on, it will send you a verification code or a verification link. So in this case, you just need to click on that, and that should create your account here and redirect you to your in this case your profile. So like what I said before, it will send you a confirmation link. So just enter your email here if you've chosen your email or the email way of creating your account. Now, it's going to ask you to agree to the privacy terms and privacy policies. So go ahead and click on the appropriate links here if you want to read that, but let's go and click on accept first. Now, from here, you have four options. So first option you have here is your profile at the bottom right here. Now in here you have the option to change a few things like your app settings. You can share your profile. You can pair your profile, edit your profile, even view a lot of things here. But the most important section here is going to be the edit profile option. So if you click on it, it actually allows you to enter some details about your self, like date of birth, your gender, sexuality, and all of the information that you need to show on your account. So usually speaking, this is what people will usually see on your account, but you'll also have the option to go incognito here just in case like you've already made a match within the app here and you want to hide your profile with to other people. You could go ahead and basically hide your account, or go incognito, or hide me on Field. But yeah, so once you've edited your profile, you could go and click on save at the top right. Now from here, you also have your like rectangular or phone icon you see at the left side. Now, by the way, the heart icon that you see at the very bottom, and the kind of speech bubble that you see here at the very bottom here as well. Those two sections are for matches that you made. So heart could actually show you the people that you've matched with, and the speech bubble that you see the icon you see there is for like messages that you receive. But the phone icon, which in this case is the current UI that you're seeing right now, so in here you'll have the option to start viewing people and seeing what you like. So you can go and click on the heart icon that you see just underneath their profile, as you can see there. You can go and click on it if you like them. You can even scroll down a bit if you want to read further into their profile. And you can go and click on the minus icon or dash icon you see next to the heart icon there to basically indicate that you don't like them. So yeah, so you could go and just basically like or not like them in here. So yeah, so this one is very simple. It's like any other dating apps here, but the thing here, it's kind of different. The Azure platform actually supports um uh different type of sexuality, unlike any other dating apps out there. But in this case, that's about it. Hopefully this video was able to help you like and subscribe to NF Inspo. Thank you for watching.